Hello, good morning to everyone. Welcome to TechEasy. Today in this video, we'll see the unboxing and full details of this Aristocrat medium size trolley suitcase, which comes with 8 wheels. To be precise, if I want to say the model Invictus 65, which comes with hard body trolley bag, and the material is polypropylene. And see here, you can see the tag of Aristocrat here. If I flip it back, you can check the Invictus and 3 years international warranty. Invictus, you can see this is the Invictus model, which is of 65 centimeters. Okay, the medium size. There is one more smaller size, which is small for small cabin, which is 55 centimeters. As the user want this for a bit more luggage, they prefer to buy. I want to show you the close lookup of the material, polypropylene, which is a hard body. See here, as I'm having real experience, this is hard body and lightweight also, both. And at the end, I'll tell you the price details, the online details. The user has purchased this on the Flipkart. Okay, this comes with the 8 wheels. And let us check the zipper here. The zipper is of quality. Let us check the inside cabinets or the compartments and how spacious it is. We'll check it. Here is the Aristocrat brand. Yeah, let us just open this and check what are the compartments inside. Decent material, see, like waterproof sort of material. This is the bigger cabin, and at the top there is one more zipper where you can keep other materials like documents, files, or etc., or whatever it may be according to your choice. This is main area where you can keep your clothes, and the straps are given to hold or to keep the clothes intact. And this is the another compartment inside. Okay, if I want to say, the zips are of good quality, that I can say, as I can have the real hands-on experience on this Aristocrat medium sized trolley bag Invictus. The zippers are of good quality, and here is the Aristocrat brand, and here is the one handle, and at the other side there is another handle. See here, at the downside there is one more handle just beside this 3-digit lock system. By default, this 3-digit lock system is with 000. You can adjust that. Let me open this handle, telescopic handle, which is of decent quality, and this got 360-degree rotation. When you just want to travel using this Aristocrat trolley bag, the movement is very smooth because this comes with 8 wheels actually. If you can observe, the 360-degree rotation is good. And if you want a review video on this, maybe this is scratch proof or how it is being in the real world while traveling and everything, you can ask in the comments if you have questions, so that I can make a video once this user uses this Aristocrat medium sized trolley bag for at least 2 to 3 months, so that I can upload a video on that. So the user purchased this around 1700 rupees on the Flipkart. Yeah, these are the wheels, and let me just close the zip once. Yeah, and this is hard material only. The polypropylene material is looking pretty hard and decent enough, and this inner cloth material also very good. Yeah, good. So I'll tell you the online details also, where the user has purchased this, the Flipkart online details, and we'll check the current price and the rating details and other details in the online. And if you do have any other questions regarding this, what is this? These are the straps. The straps are also decent quality. Yeah, if you do have any other questions, you can just ask in the comments, so that I'll try to reply you. And please do comment which trolley bag or which company trolley bag you are currently using, and the size also. Please do mention the size also, so that it would be helpful for other users who want to purchase these trolley bags. Mostly find the links for other trolley bags which I did in the description. Yes, this is the trolley bag from the Aristocrat, which you have seen in the video until now. And see here, this is really sturdy and strong material, as I have hands-on experience, and it is looking lightweight. The 3-digit lock I have shown you, which is default by 000, you can check it. And this adjustable trolley handle also I checked, which is medium durability. I felt it is somewhat durable. Okay, side lugs there, the compartment I have shown you with this adjustable packing straps. Yeah, and the wheel rotation is really good, really smooth and really good. If you want a review video, you can ask in the comments, like for like using it like almost 6 to 7 months, maybe I can post a review video on that. Please do ask in the comments if you want. Yeah, and this got 4.3 ratings, which are very decent and very good, and decent purchases here. Actually in 3 colors, black and this ocean blue and this green are available. And even though if you are changing this, the price is not changing. And please do check this product in the mobile Flipkart app, so that you can get the exact price, and there are many offers running as of now. And the material is polypropylene, as I already mentioned. Yeah, if you do have any other questions, you can ask in the comments. Yeah, thanks for watching. Have a nice day.